When talking with customers around designing this watertight tank sump, their biggest pain point were the continuous water pump outs they have in existing tank sumps that are costing them tens of thousands of dollars per month. With that pain point, we looked to how to innovate the lid to make it easier to be installed and to make it truly watertight. This lid is designed of composite material to hold its shape and be lightweight. So when site operators go to lift this out of place to inspect the tank sump, it's easy for them to lift and not heavy like a fiberglass lid. This lid also utilizes stainless steel handles which can be field replaced, and these bolt holes don't go through the lid to ensure there's no leak point through into the containment. The vent on the lid is designed to keep the tank chamber, the tank sump, as close to atmosphere as possible, so there's no negative vacuum holding this lid in place. The innovative way this lid seals is it utilizes a side seal gasket design that's designed to seat against a gel-coated upper part of the riser that's smooth to ensure that seal will stay in place. And the seal is occurring out of the way of the backfill so no debris can compromise that seal. The latches that run around the outside are made of stainless steel and composite. Should one need to be replaced, you simply mount on an additional one right next to that position. The lid has a profile around the outer edge that the latches will pass over. The latches confirm that this lid is seated into place and that there should be no water intrusion inside the containment. Our new watertight fiberglass tank sump utilizes this U-channel feature to make the installation simple and fast. Basically, you can cut down the riser to whatever height is needed on site, and it will still fit effectively within this U-channel. To prepare this, you take the field install fiberglass epoxy kit and mix the material of sand and resin together within this package. After that mixture is completed, you're going to take that and spread it around the circumference of the U-channel. After that's been poured in place, you'll take the field cut down riser, put it into place, and then that will create a watertight seal for the installation of the containment. We designed our watertight tank sump using a true voice of customer process. Number one, how can we help the installers? You can see we use natural resin color with no pigment added. That's going to allow the installers, when placing the octagonal base on the tank collar, to very easily see that they've effectively saturated the fiberglass material and made sure that connection's solid. At that point, they're going to be installing their piping connections through our octagonal base, which is the same height for either 42 or 48 inch diameters, making it very easy for installers. So this is our new innovative watertight tank sump. It's designed to make the installation easy, it's designed to make the installation fast, and it's designed to have a watertight lid to minimize any sort of ongoing maintenance costs throughout the life of the site.